progressive journalism, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for latest updates. Israel's deputy foreign minister on Sunday said that the Biden administration may shelve its plan to reopen a U.S. diplomatic mission for Palestinians in Jerusalem after Israel voiced opposition to such a move. The Jerusalem consulate was subsumed into the U.S. embassy that was moved to the contested city from Tel Aviv in 2018 by the administration of former President Donald Trump, a reversal of U.S. policy hailed by Israel and condemned by Palestinians. U.S. Secretary of State Antony Blinken this month reiterated Washington's plan to reopen the consulate as part of efforts to repair Palestinian ties. Deputy Foreign Minister Idan Roll on a state TV channel said, "I believe that I have good reason to think this will not happen. The Americans understand the political complexity. We have very good relations and we don't believe in surprising them. I don't think they will try to surprise us." Israel deems all Jerusalem its undivided capital and says it would not consent to reopening the consulate. Israeli officials argued that the Palestinians want the city's east for their own future. Hope for said. Reopening the consulate could weaken nationalist Prime Minister Naftali Bennett and undermine his fragile cross-partisan government.